Hello. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna be kidnapping people. I know it sounds bad, but it's bad. There's really no escaping it. All we're gonna do is we're not just gonna be kidnapping them. This spell does not do what I need it to do. It's only partially kidnapping people, okay? Because we're gonna be bringing them to the end, and they're gonna go on the plane willingly. So, is it really kidnapping? I mean, we're just gonna be harpooning them, a few of them, if they don't listen to us. Like, please. Like, that's not really kidnapping. I'm just kidding. It's 100% kidnapping. But, gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So, we're gonna be doing that. Let me just attach the portal. Like, boom. And then, since I'm oh so rare, oh my god, that is expensive. Gotta get that nice staircase up, though. Oh yeah. This is the ugliest staircase I've ever seen. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful staircase right there. And now they're in my beautiful plane that is not beautiful at all. And I'm gonna go kidnap children now. Who wants to get on? Oh god. I'm failing. Hellos. Oh my god, it's Iron Man. That is beautiful, though. Right there. I'm gonna kidnap him. If he ever escapes. But anyway. Where is Red? Uh-oh. Red. No, we have to say Red. Wait. That's not good. Whatever. Flip. Just don't mind me. I'm struggling. Those are definitely gonna run out. Oh wait, Red's back at the start. No, no! It's really irritating the process, bro. Piplup, I don't think Piplup's good, dude. Piplup's struggling right now. Are you firing cannons at me, bro? You know what? You know what? You know what? I'll still bring you to the end since I need a video, but don't fire cannons at me again, bro. See? Helping people at... Oh, I thought he turned off my chat for a second. Piplup, fly! There we go. Oh no. Oh god. This is going incredibly bad. So what is this monstrosity that I'm trying to carry right now? It's like a... I don't know. It's terrifying. We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. We got bricks on there. Am I out of... No, it's just that this thing I'm carrying is so ridiculously heavy that Piplup can't... Oh my god. My game. My poor flipping game. Help. Help my game, bro. Come on. Let's go. Did he die? No! What is going on over here? The heck? Bro's pulled out a full samurai. There's only one way to beat it. And that's with the power of the void. I've latched onto you. There's no unlatching me onto you, bro. Unless you know. Don't tell me if that bastard's latched onto me, man. Come on. Ugh. Be free. Be free. He's stuck in the ground. Nah. I need more power. Ugh. Oh no, am I stuck? I'm stuck in... Oh God. Oh dear God. No! He's being murdered, bro. Oh my God. Sir, are you okay? You know, these people are fighting their own battles. I'm just gonna leave them alone. let's find someone who needs a win or two. Like these people. They clearly need a win or two. See, they're so kind and innocent. Oh wait, do they actually want to get on? Here. Stop it. Stop jumping. If you'd stop jumping, I could let you on. I just have to do that. And How do I made it so I can't hurt? If you would get away from me. I'm trying. No, you're not getting on my boat. I'm gonna capture you. I need content. Stop! Just accept getting captured, I beg. Where'd the deal? Fine. Oh my... Whenever I get one, the other one I accidentally unhook. And it's making me a little annoyed. No! Sir, why would you die? Where did he go? No. Yeah, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes. Exactly what I thought. Now, stop it. Stop. Don't move. Don't move. This flipping... Oops, that was a horrible shot. Is this a server that speaks English? It is. But what if you really... trying to bring you someplace, bro? Literally trying to bring you to the end. Don't unhook. I'm literally just trying to bring you to the end. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, it worked. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, it worked. Oh, wait. Which grapple hook's connected to him? The front one. I need to pull that one up a bit. Oh God. When I did that, it started going really fast for a second. Jeez. Okay, let's go, mi amigos. I'm gonna get you your first baby wins, because both of you are, I'm assuming, new, since neither of you are in the group, and when I came to your base, you looked very lost. So I'm gonna get you your first victories. Oh God. Okay. This is really bad. One of the defaults, one of the bacon, I think, is incredibly low. Okay, he's healing slowly, but if he touches the... I just realized if the harpoon breaks, they're screwed. Could you not, please? One of them only has one harpoon, the other one has two, so just like, yeah, if you have to aim for a harpoon, aim for that harpoon, you know? Yeah. Okay, this could be bad for me. No, stop. Oh, shoot. Oh, mother trucker, dude. He broke the other jet. Without the other jet, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make that without killing them. Oh, they sent me a friend request. No. No. No, one of them's dead. I'm sorry. No. I should have chose a better thing for this. God damn it. You know what? If they're gonna come willingly, I don't have to capture them. What am I doing? I'm just gonna take out Piplup, and then they'll come willingly. Please. Okay, come on. Get on the toes. Hello. Get on my Piplup's toes. On Piplup toes. Okay. Now, let's go. Perfect. Ay. Does this count as capturing someone? I'm gonna count this as me capturing someone. Because I, in the first place, captured them, and then they willingly got on my boat. So I'm gonna count that as me capturing. Or the jet. No, why would you jump? Oh no. Don't die, please don't die. Don't die, please don't die. Don't die. No. No. God damn it! Oopsie doodle.
Bro had enough. Ain't no way.
Nah, I'm not having that. That's what you thought. Okay, now let's get back to build a boat. To the end. On my bed boat. Okay, so first up, I'm a little sad nobody got on this lantern lamp right here, because when I push F... Oh, sorry, I changed it. When I switch this lever... When I switch... So no, 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 no. Oh my god. I did not mean to do that. Pain. In the prison, because the prison has never lost. I don't think. Okay? I'm not sure. I don't think it's ever lost. From what I can remember, at least. Unless it got, like, thrown out of the map by someone or something, you know? So, yeah. So, how's your days going? I don't even know if they speak English. That's awesome. Nice. If I remember correctly, I can torture them as I take them to the end. For content. Ha ha ha. As long as they don't find where this is. Oh, they said good. Never mind. Oh, they don't have PvP on. I don't actually have PvP on. That is so lame. It's just gonna send me flying. If I go out of the bow, I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're good. Die. Does baking guy? I have no clue what that means. The prison vault. Oh, I forgot about this vault. This is the crappiest vault I've ever built. Oh, take aim. Fire. But whatever. I'd give it like a 2 out of 10 bed. Just like a 4 out of 10. Actually, I think I rate this one higher than this. This is like a 2 out of 10. This is more like a 3.5 out of 10. What about the top part? 10 out of 10 bed right there. Then the toilets, obviously. 10 out of 10. No doubt about it. Well, this is just us waiting now. This video really sucked. But in the next few days, there will be some Fortnite content out. So yeah, there's that. We got more Dragonfire episodes coming. So there's that. And yeah. I just needed to make this because, well, I was bored. Like, really bored. And I'm walking out. I shoot my balls launcher. Oh yeah. That's a shot right there. Oh, it's launcher. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Easy if you ask me. Okay. Now? No! They died. No. Where did he go? Oh, he left. Okay, I thought he died. As long as they don't die, I don't care. If they leave, that's up to them. As long as they don't die. If they die, I have an issue with them. Come on. Why is this such struggle? No. Don't break the seeds, please. Okay. It broke a jet. It's not the end of the world. But that's bad. Okay, we got some bees. Sir! Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. This is... Oh, my poor... Oh, my God. My poor pig. What have they done to you? As long as... Oh, wait. Oh, I don't think we can. No! Don't. Stop. Why are you getting out of your seat? If your seat breaks, you just start like, Sue, get out of my chair. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. I give up. I give up. This game, man. Whose life do I want to increase? Literally anyone's I'm willing to take. Come here, sir. I'm going to capture you. You are in my boat now. Yes, come in. Get in the seats. Come. Man, kidnapping people is for some reason extremely... Why would you jump out? Why would you flip and jump out? What's the point in that, man? I don't get it. Why would you commit suicide? Really? No. Please. No! I don't want to die. Please, no. I don't want to die. No. At least it's a pretty cool view. Props to me for creating this epic boat. Is it just going around and... Where's the... Really? Ugh! Get in the vehicle. Come on. No, no. What are we doing? What do you want? Dude. Just come inside. Take a seat. Gosh. Okay, hopefully. I honestly, at this point, just need, you know, I'm gonna take 2 people. I will do it. Get in. Come on in. Take a seat if you wanna go to end with us. Yes, sit. Yes. Perfect. Now, all of us will go to the end together. Perfect. I ended up with 3 people in the end. If I can actually get these 3 people to the end, I am ending the video right then and there, because... We are just flying, yes. Yes, we are. We are built different. Okay. Take a new seat, hurry! No, no, no! I'm still alive. Why are you trying to take my seat? I don't know why I'm not there. Whatever. I'm just gonna ignore it. Look at him. Isn't he beautiful? I tried to use him earlier, but those... We're missing somebody out. He's right there. Take the dang red seat, please, sir. Why would you place that? Unicorn Minecraft. I don't think bro is playing Minecraft. No, why would you do that, you idiot? I don't know who else that was. Could have been Neymar the GOAT or Denver. Either way, I am disliking them. Because why would you jump off? He said it looked like a unicorn. I feel rejected, bro. Like, dude. It's all good. I have video proof that they said it's fine. Oh no. Any of these seats. I'm just not going to question it. The amount of just 3 bald men sitting on a boat. Liker Both looking good. Do they look the exact same? They do. Is he Sonic? What is this? He's not like the one blue bear from the... It's either toilet paper or paper towels. Ad, right? That one blue bear. I don't think he is, but just in case he is. You look goofy. Why are we all bald? Why is this person just sitting here with all their stuff? What the heck? Ew. What did they do to bro's back? Roblox needs to fix it. Yeah. Fine.
We're not gonna die, man. Wow, that's crazy, dude. Imagine not dying. That's bonkers. That took so long. Honestly, I might stay here to see if I can get more wins with these people, since they know how to not jump out of the dang boat and commit suicide. Unlike a bunch of people we play.